Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Notepad not working or missing. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, type Notepad. Click Advanced Options. Click Repair, click Reset. Second method is click Start, Settings. Type Notepad, click three dots, click Uninstall. Open Microsoft Store. Download and install Windows Notepad. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.